Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so really quickly I want to let everyone know that I do have available the Unicorn Dreams. I do have it available in the glitter in the raw. I'm getting lots of requests for them because you guys seen them in my Valentine's bundle, and I do have them available with the acrylic in the half-ounce jar, the 1 ounce, 2 ounce, and 4 ounce jars. And for those of you ladies that prefer the glitter in the raw, I went ahead and made a nice batch of them since I still have the bags out. And I also want to be able to put them up in my Etsy just because they did come out so pretty. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I want to accommodate everyone's needs. I know a lot of ladies, you guys just prefer using your gels, and then you other ladies that just prefer using your polishes. So I want to make sure I can accommodate. I really hate turning people away, and I don't have what you guys need. So I wanted to make sure with this one, since I'm getting like so many emails, guys, it's not even funny. I want to be able to accommodate all you guys. All right. So even you ladies that do your resin and epoxy work and all that stuff, you'll be able to grab, and if I run out of this bag, I'll go ahead and try to make some more as well. So I want to just show you really quickly the glitter in the raw. Okay, I did fill up this bag to the top, and already some of it sold, and I put some to the side for my Instagram viewers and some for my Facebook viewers. So this is what I have right now of this one. Again, like I said, I don't have individual names for them, but the set, I'm selling the whole set as this S3, and it is called Unicorn Dreams is what I came up with. So this is the one with the stars right there. I'm hoping you guys can catch that. Get my spoon here. I'm trying to be careful since it's inside the bag. So this one is the first one with the stars, and this is the only one that I threw a little pop of black in there. Okay, so that's that one. And let me go ahead and show you the swatch for that one. Look at how pretty it is. I am really in love with these. The swatch I put, where did I put it? Here it goes. So this is a swatch for this one. Isn't it so pretty? The next one is going to be this one here. It's like I tried to stick with the same colors, all really pastel-y. And like I said, this one's very similar. This one's a chunkier. This one's a very small chunky, and then I did the really fine one. So you kind of have a really nice little set there. And you could like kind of mix these up on your nails, and it's really pretty. So the colors are really similar. Only with this one I added a little more pop of pink and a little pop of black. And this one I tried to just not put any black. I wanted to keep it really soft. And that's how it came out, and it's so pretty. Let me show you this one. I mean, I have to make more of this. I just have to. I want to keep some for myself as well. There's that one. I'm like coming out of focus because the screen is like backwards on my end. And that's that one there. So pretty. And let me show you a swatch. This is what I have for this one. As you can see, it's a really nice amount, so I'm pretty sure I can accommodate everyone. And like I said, I actually left the bags out for these, so I should be able to remake it pretty much the same as what you see in the bags. So this is the other one. Okay, let me see if I can fix this where it's facing. Okay. And then lastly is the pink one, but it is pink, but it is So rainbowy. There's like a rainbow in there. It's really pretty. And I am asking $2.50 a tablespoon for these. So you don't have to get the whole set. You can grab the ones that you want because I am selling them at $2.50. These do have the more expensive flakes that I used in my Bling It On and my, what was it, the rainbow diamond acrylic mixes that I did. I had used some more expensive glitters of my own personal stuff, so these ones have that stuff in it as well. So that is why these ones are a little bit more than what I usually sell my mixes for. So I hope you guys understand where I'm going with that. And it is $2.50 plus shipping for a tablespoon, okay? So that's that one. Look at how pretty. So pretty. This one's super fluffy. And I don't know if you look at the spoon, you can see all the colors. And you can probably see the camera, and you can probably see me. Alright, so that's that one. That's the third one, okay? And I'll show you the swatch for this one. I think I want to do my nails with these next. And that is this one to the top. It's that one right there. Look at how pretty. I'm so happy with these. I'm in love with them. So that is the set that I did called Unicorn Dreams. I hope you guys like it. Let me see if I turn this on, if you guys can see it shine or not, and it looks really white on my end, so sorry guys if I'm hurting your eyes. I'm just hoping you guys get a good look at it. I don't know if you guys are able to see it better this way or worse. I'm sorry guys, I'm putting it back. Oh lordy. So there you go. Questions, comments, leave them below. Again, I am asking $2.50 a tablespoon for these. You can grab them in the raw. If you want the acrylic sets, just definitely let me know, and I will give you the prices for the acrylic. And just let me know if you want, again, the 1/2 ounce, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, or 4 ounce jars, and of which ones, and I will take care of the rest for you. The shipping on the acrylics will be per weight, just depending on how, like say if you get the 4 ounce jars, I do have to weigh it, and I will let you know how much it costs. I will try on my end to help out a little bit with the shipping if I can. Alright, and if you guys already ordered the Valentine's bundle from me, you are already getting the acrylic set. If you prefer me to send you just the glitter mix, I can do that as well. I could just send you a tablespoon of the glitter by itself if you prefer that. Alright? Alright guys, questions, comments, leave them below. And as always, thanks you guys for tuning in, and have a wonderful week guys. Bye.